Welcome to Pew Pew Park.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm doing another taste test video today. And today is something I've shown you guys earlier. This is the Ruffles all dressed. It's a Canadian flavor, something, I guess. I guess as long as it's not fucking ketchup chips. That sounds nasty. Anyway, let's give it a shot. I've had these for a while. Ooh. Not smelling too bad. A light seasoning dust, it looks like. It's not bad. I kind of taste some barbecue-iness to it. I don't really taste any vinegar. Taste maybe a little sour cream, onionish, the barbecue, but yeah, I'm not tasting the vinegar I was told it has. It's good. It's got of course it's salty. It's crispy. It's got a little sweetness to it. That's unusual. I'm assuming that's from the barbecue. But that's pretty good. I'm not going to eat a lot of these, so I actually brought a chip clip with me. But yeah, it's good. It's not bad. I was afraid it was going to taste horrible. I've never actually had ketchup chips, so that's why this flavor coming from Canada scared me a little bit. 'Cause I don't know. Ketchup on fries, yes. Ketchup on thin, crispy chips, it just don't seem right, you know. But it works. That flavor works. Will I buy it again? Probably not. I'm not the biggest potato chip fan. I prefer Doritos, which is a corn chip, and even then I don't buy them all that often. Usually if I buy them, it's because I'm making sandwiches, and chips on sandwiches are delicious. But there you go. Give them a shot if you see them. When I went to Smith's, there's a huge wall of them almost, so you know there should be plenty. You should be able to find it fairly easy in America. Give it a shot. That's all for today. Y'all have a great day.